we'll discuss the top 5 symptoms of a bad idle air control valve and why you shouldn't ignore them. So buckle up, grab your wrench, and let's get right into it. Symptom number 1 of a bad idle air control valve is rough idling. Your car is just sitting there, supposed to be chilling at a stoplight, but the whole thing is shaking like a dog passing a peach seed. That, my friends, is not normal. The IAC controls how much air gets into the engine when you're idling. When the IAC goes bad, it can't regulate the airflow properly, causing that annoying rough idle. Ignoring a rough idle is like ignoring a toothache. It's only going to get worse. If your car's doing the shake, rattle and roll at idle, get it checked out. Next up, we've got engine stalling. You're just cruising along, then BAM! The engine just up and quits on you. A bad idle air control valve is a common culprit. If it fails completely, your engine might not get any air at all when you're idling, causing it to stall out. If your car's prone to sudden shutdowns, get it to a mechanic faster than a squirrel going after a nut. The check engine light could mean a million different things, but a bad idle air control valve can definitely trigger that little yellow light of doom. Think of the check engine light like the bat signal. It's your car's way of telling you something's wrong, and you better pay attention. Ignoring the check engine light might seem like a minor annoyance, but it could turn into a major headache down the road. Get it checked out by a trusted mechanic and see if that pesky IAC is the culprit. Let's talk about fluctuating idle speed. With a bad idle air control valve, your car's RPM needle can start bouncing around like a disco dancer on a Saturday night. This happens because the faulty IAC valve can't regulate the air-fuel mixture consistently, causing the engine speed to surge and dip erratically. If your RPM needle is doing the jitterbug, it might be time for a new IAC. Last but not least, we've got poor acceleration. You step on the gas expecting your car to take off, but instead, it feels like it's stuck in mud. A bad idle air control valve can mess with your car's ability to accelerate smoothly and efficiently. Nobody wants to be that guy stuck in the slow lane. So there you have it, the top 5 symptoms of a bad idle air control valve. Ignoring these problems won't make them go away. If you're experiencing any of these issues, get your car checked out by a professional. A good mechanic can diagnose the problem and get your car running smoothly again in no time.